Antares stands out for its advanced engineering structure, designed with a clear vision. To be a high-accuracy measuring machine able to drill the tooling holes and other reference holes for the next process consisting of the CNC drilling. At the heart of the Antares design, we find some fundamental choices, also present in the structure of a CMM coordinate measuring machine. 1. Base and x-axis beam and granite for good thermal stability of the machine geometry. 2. Small moving masses to achieve high dynamics in movements, while keeping extremely high positioning accuracy. 3. Linear motors. This choice means eliminating all the motion transmission organs. In other words, no rotating organs, friction limited to the linear guide and bearings, high stability and response of the motion control. 4. Finally, the adoption of high-resolution position transducers, together with the high performances of the vision system, make the Antares behave like a CMM in measurements and, in addition, position its spindle with high accuracy. Despite its advanced capabilities, Antares surprises with its compact design. The reduced footprint makes it ideal for production environments where space is valuable, allowing for easy integration into existing production lines without requiring substantial layout modifications. Finally, Antares stands out for its energy efficiency. Thanks to the use of high-efficiency components, the machine boasts significantly reduced electrical and pneumatic consumption. This not only translates into economic savings for the company, but also represents an important step towards a more sustainable and environmentally friendly production. In conclusion, Antares is not just a CNC machine, but a true concentrate of technology and innovation. With its optimized structure, granite base, precision linear motors, compact design, and energy efficiency, Antares positions itself as a cutting-edge solution for companies aiming for excellence in multi-layer printed circuit board production, combining precision, efficiency, and sustainability.